हेलो फ्रेंड्स। मैं आप सबका मेरे इस नए चैनल पे स्वागत करता हूँ। मेरा नाम राजेश पांडे है। मैं एक ट्रेडर, इन्वेस्टर, राइटर हूँ। प्रेजेंटली आई एम इन अ जॉब। यही कारण है कि जो लोग जॉब में हैं और उन्हें किस तरह की परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, मेनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी रिलेटेड। आई टर्म्ड माई सेल्फ एज ए मनी वेलनेस कोच। इस चैनल पे हम मनी से रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स के ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे। मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा, द कंटेंट ऑफ दिस चैनल इज मोस्ट सुटेबल फॉर हु आर इन 9 to 5 जॉब, who have every kind of debt. They are completely in debt burden and particularly belongs to the age bracket of 35 to 55. So the content of this channel will be targeted to these people. Then your next question is, what will be the contents? Friends, I remain in the job for more than 25 years. 25 सालों तक मैंने जॉब किया है और एक जॉब करने वाले पर्सन को किस तरह की फाइनेंशियल परेशानियां आती हैं मैं पूरी तरह से वाकिफ हूँ। सो द कंटेंट्स ऑफ दिस चैनल विल बी टारगेटेड टू सॉल्व दीज टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स ओनली। फ्रेंड्स, मैंने एक फॉर्मूला इजाद किया है जिसे मैं 5A फॉर्मूला बोलता हूँ। What are the 5A? The first A is awareness. The second A stands for affirmations. The third A stands for action. The fourth A stands for addition. And the fifth A stands for abundance. So the content will be related to all these 5 steps. Suppose a person who is doing 9 to 5 job is in a debt. So what is the criteria to coming out of the debt? Or what is the method? Or what is the best suitable method to come out of the debt? So first step is awareness. The person should be aware about its present position. How much he is earning, what is the current level of debt, where he wants to go. So this awareness is required. Then comes the affirmations. Affirmations for I am not going back to the previous position. I have to move forward. A concrete affirmation is required for this. It will come through the change of mindset and the change of your money behavior. Then comes the action parts. Only awareness and affirmation is not going to fulfill your dreams. You have to do some action. Action in respect of manage your money. Action in respect of adding more knowledge. Actions in respect of how to come out of the debt problem. How you can lead a debt-free life. Then comes the addition part. Addition means you have to add your income. You have to find a passive source of income. You have to find some way so that your income will increase. After going through all these 4 parts, then only you can get the status of abundance. So friends, all the videos will be related to all these 3 topics. If you like the content of this channel, spread it among your friends, relatives, and you are requested to subscribe the channel so that the contents appears on the channel will be notified to you. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Be associated with me. I will promise I will bring a change in your financial life. My promise is that you will lead one day EMI free life and a abundant life. Thank you.